may or may not be satisfied with the things.
This concept about suggesting to iHome for customers to design the homes themselves, is that a requirement by the customer, or is that something that you thought out of the box?
It will be the best because you take a look at what customers see. Nowadays, people try to designers draw out those paper on A4 paper. They are always complaining that why must the TV cannot be put on the screen? Why must it be placed on the desk instead? Can't it be placed on the screen? Then the designers have to redraw everything. So if you imagine if we have this software where they have just need to touch and move the TV around to where they like, then they can just save it, and this should be they can say that this should be my desired home. I would like this design. So probably the designers and the contractors feel that okay, since they will get an idea of what they want, so they can design what the customers really like, instead of the designers designing what the customers don't like.
Okay, but you haven't answered my question. The question is this something that you are suggesting to Jensen, or is this a request? Is this a request by Jensen? Say, oh, actually, I've got this problem.
Yeah, it's actually a suggestion because, like, most of the time, as I said, cost is actually one of the major factors as to why companies do not wish to change their way of work. So actually, this visual mock-ups can actually better the experience to the customers, so that customers can actually see the entire mock-up and they can be fulfilled with the mock-ups and not just plain talking on paper.
The reason why I ask this is because the business I'm in, we also deal with a little bit of creativity. Okay, we're selling flowers, so we usually, because as customer I want to buy flowers, I may not know what kind of flowers will go well with what versus other kind of flowers. So the same thing here. I mean, I would not want to, as a customer, I think I may decide my TV on the place and stuff like that. But I think the overall design should still be left.
But the designer will be like beside the customer, so that if the customer needs certain advice on certain things, they can still ask the designer. Yeah. So instead of like the customers just walk in and then sit down there doing their own stuff by themselves, we can just get a designer to sit beside them and then discuss the things with them. And with a visual aid of the projector, they can actually have a better view of what is going on.